Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to customize Gmail. So let's start it. At first open your desktop. Now you can see customize Gmail. Now you go to Chrome browser. Now select. Now you can see now we show the new interface and open the Gmail. Chrome browser. Now go to the Gmail option. Now click from Gmail. Now you can see open the Gmail in the customize. Now you can see now going to the setting option. Now click from let's say default. Now choose from theme. Now select from any theme. Now click from save option. That it's now save the theme. Then again now you're going to the setting option. And customize. That's it. That it. Then again the customize the Gmail. Now split right and then choose the customize the setting. That is. Now you can see customize the Gmail is very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.